Hello everybody, this is Jacob Dixon, and welcome to my very first episode of FAR, Fold Along Radio, and this is simply origami through radio, and each week I will give you instructions and tips on how to make your very own beautiful origami figures. This week, we're going to learn how to make an origami cup, and for this you will need a square piece of paper, so I will give you a couple of seconds to find one. Okay, have you found a piece of paper? Excellent. Let's get started. So put your piece of paper on a table or on the floor, and let's turn it so we have the tip facing upwards. Okay? Now what you want to do is you want to fold the bottom tip to the top tip, creating a triangle. Okay, so let's make our triangle here. There we are. Now, you have three sides. You have the left side, the right side, and the top. Let's take the right side of your triangle, the tip, and fold it to the left. You don't want the tip to overlap the side. You want it to land directly in the center of the side there. So let's fold it that way. And the next thing you want to do is take the left side of the triangle and fold it to the right. Fold it to the right so the tip of that triangle matches the little tip that you just created after folding the first way. There you go. Now pick up your paper and you notice that there are two flaps. There's a flap on the top and on the bottom. So let's take that top flap and fold it downwards. Turn it over. And let's take that other flap and fold it downwards. Okay, we are almost done. Now if you want, you can just stick your finger in the little hole there in your cup, open it up, and your cup is finished. And I invite you to put some water in there and have yourself a nice cool drink. Thank you for listening, ladies and gentlemen, to my very first episode of FAR, Fold Along Radio. Next week, we will learn how to make a beautiful origami heart, which is perfect for that special someone in your life. This is Jacob Dixon. Happy folding.